Hi everyone, I am Vijay Durga. In today's topic, we are going to learn about representation of irrational numbers on number line. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, etc. are called as irrational numbers. We can plot them on number line. So let's take an example of root 2 here. To plot it on the number line, first off we need to draw basic number line. With 0, but here we need to take a specific length between the numbers. I am taking an inch. We will call it a unit. 1, 2, 3, minus 1 and minus 2. This is 1, 2, 3, minus 1 and minus 2. Now, the first thing we need to do is we'll take 0 and 1 unit as the base and take a 90 degrees angle. Join this. Now take an inch length and cut the perpendicular line. This will be 1 unit and this will be 1 unit. Let's point this as O, A and B. The base is 1 unit, the adjacent sides are 1 unit and this is 90 degrees. As we know, in Pythagorean theorem, OA square plus AB square will be OB square. That is 1 square plus 1 square will be OB square. 2 will be OB square. Now OB will be root 2. Now join O and B. Now this will be root 2 units. But we want the root 2 on the number line. So, we'll take the distance of OB and cut an arc on the number line. Now, we'll point it as C. The length of OC will be root 2. So, OC will be the root 2 on the number line. Now, let's draw the number line to root 3. First, we need to draw a number line, a basic one. And we need to mark 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now, to draw root 3, we need to draw root 2 as a base. Now, take the number line as a base and take a 90 degree angle. This is 90 degrees which is perpendicular to the number line. Now, take the distance of 1 unit and cut an arc on the perpendicular line. Let's point this as O, A and B. Now, join OB. Now, in the triangle OAB, OA is 1 unit, OB is 1 unit. As in the above problem, we got this as root 2 units. Now we want this root 2 on the number line. So we'll take compass and cut an arc on the number line to get root 2. Let's point this as C. Now OC is the base of the triangle which we want as root 3. Now at the point C, we'll take a perpendicular. This is 90 degrees. Now we'll take the unit distance and cut an arc on the perpendicular. We'll mark this as D. This is the point D. Now join O and D. Now in triangle OCD, OD square will be equal to OC square plus CD square. Now OC is root 2 units and CD is 1 unit. So we get 2 plus 1. OD square is equals to 3. OD will be root 3. So we got OD as root 3 units. We want OD on the number line. So we take the distance of OD and cut an arc on the number line. We'll point this as E. Now the distance between OE will be root 3 units. So the next example I took is root 5 on the number line. So first we draw the number line. We will mark 0. As I said, we need to take a unit distance, a constant distance of 1 inch. 2, 3, minus 1 and minus 2. This will be 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So for root 5, we need to take the base as 2. We need to take the base 2 units and take a perpendicular at C. Take the unit distance and cut an arc on the perpendicular line. Point this is O, A, B. Now join OB. Now OA is 2 units, AB is 1 unit. In triangle OAB, OB square is equals to OA square plus AB square. So OB square will be 2 square plus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1. So OB square is equals to 5, OB is equals to root 5. Now we got OB as root 5 units. Now we need OB on the number line. So we take the distance OB and cut an arc on the number line. And point this as C. Now OC is equals to root 5 units.